For this video, I am going to teach you how to change the flashlight and camera on your lock screen in iPhone with an iOS 18. So it is fairly simple, and the first thing that you need to do is to simply go into your lock screen. So as you see here on my screen, this is my lock screen, and on the bottom part I have two icons. So I have flashlight and also camera. So now I'm going to show you how you can change those icons, or how you can change the tools that you can access easily once your home screen or once your phone is locked. So what I need to do here is to simply long press on my screen, and then this will allow me to show this customized button situated on the bottom part of my screen. So what you need to do is to simply tap onto it and select home screen or lock screen from the options that you have. And then now you'll notice that on the bottom part, the flashlight and camera icon have this minus like icon on them. So you just need to tap onto it for you to be able to remove them from your home screen, and tap onto the plus icon for you to be able to change it with another controls or with other tools. So for example, I'm going to change the flashlight with timer, and then for the camera, I'm going to change it to alarm. So that's basically it. That is all that you need to do for you to be able to change the flashlight and camera icon on your lock screen. So once you are satisfied with what you have, you just need to tap onto the done button situated on the upper right corner of your screen. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.